Hello, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to Astraxy Light channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of financial habits. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to financial stability and success, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our life improvement content. These are the top habits to develop for financial stability and success. 1. Making savings automatic is a top priority for financial stability. Automating a set amount to be transferred from your checking account to your savings on payday can help secure an emergency fund. 2. Controlling impulse spending is crucial. Impulse purchases, especially on non-essential items or experiences, can greatly impact finances. 3. Regularly evaluating expenses and living frugally can help manage finances. Tracking expenses, cutting out unnecessary spending, and living within your means can contribute to financial success. 4. Investing in your future is a good financial habit. Starting retirement plans early, like in your 20s, can lead to substantial growth over time. 5. Keeping your family financially secure should be a priority. This includes having an emergency fund, life insurance, a will, and other necessary insurance. 6. Eliminating and avoiding debt is essential for financial stability. Creating a debt elimination plan and focusing on paying off one debt at a time can help manage and eventually eliminate debt. 7. Using the envelope system can help track spending. By allocating budgeted amounts for different expenses into separate envelopes, you can monitor and control the amount you spend. 8. Paying bills immediately or automating payments ensures regular expenses are taken care of in a timely manner. This habit helps avoid late fees and keeps the budget on track. 9. Continual education about personal finances can lead to better financial management. The more you know, the better you can manage your money. If you are looking for ways to grow, your net worth can improve financial stability. This could be through reducing debt, increasing savings, increasing income, or finding new ways to make money. Monitoring your net worth regularly can help track progress and motivate continued financial growth. Having a detailed budget is key to financial stability. It aids in understanding income and expenditure patterns, helping to make informed decisions about savings and spending. So, whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to level up your money management skills, this video is packed with actionable insights. Be sure to stick around, hit that like button if you find these tips valuable, and let us know in the comments which financial habit resonates with you the most.